Hello, hello, good morning. This is teacher Jacob. Welcome to this class. This is our reading class. This video is for seventh grade. Don't forget, today you have to write the date. Today is July 13. So the class for today is reading comprehension. Say reading. So we are gonna do three activities. Activity one, two, three, and four. Four, not really. These three activities, okay? Reading activities, okay? Don't forget, this class is reading class. We have to read. So we're gonna do four activities, okay? Activity one, let's read this. Reading, the title is, let me help you. Yes, it's here. So, out and about. This is the title, reading, leisure and Dubai. Read the extract from the travel guide on page 72 and mark, tick on the map place um, um, uh, on the map the places mentioned. Okay, so did you notice this? We're going to read as the next page. This is the page. This is the reading. So notice this. Activity one. Look at this. This this. Okay. Here we have. Okay. Here we have. Let me see. And all right, got it. Okay, yes. And here we have some. Notice this. This is the title, the aquarium and underwater zoo. So this is like a headings of the title, and this is another sky Dubai. Notice that. By Dubai, then Dubai Museum, and Wild Wadi Water Park. This is a park and entertainment park. So we have four pictures, okay? And then we have to write the order. So when you say this is the picture correspond to number one, number two, the reading correspond to number two, and so on. Before that, don't forget it's mandatory to do four activities. Activity one is you're going to circle the words that you don't understand. For example, let's do it. Let's make it an example and perhaps you understand what I'm talking about. For example, I don't understand hottest, driest, cities. Just this is an example. Also, I don't know what it means. Also, destinations. Uh, all. I don't know what it means. All. From. I don't know what it means. Come. Here. Here. Enjoy. Themselves. I don't know. So I'm going to give you a circle. Okay? Circle the words that you don't understand. Activity two is underline with a red color. Red color, don't forget, red, the color red. Red color, you're going to underline the verbs. For example, is a verb. And is a verb. Come is a verb. Enjoy is a verb. Have is a verb. Are is a verb. Has is a verb. Can walk See is a verb. Is a verb. Is a verb. Ride, can, ride. Is a verb. And uses, produce, and want is, called, is located, it's, to learn, learn is a verb. Okay, so this is what I want, okay? Activity 3, I need it's you listen to me and then repeat after me. It's like listen, read, and speak. You're gonna do 3 activities: listen, repeat, speak, and read. So you're gonna look at the on your book and then you repeat. Okay. So pay attention, very careful. Pay attention to this exercise. Ready? All right, let's go. Let me see. How is it? The city of gold. Dubai is one of the hottest and driest cities in the world. Very slow. You repeat with me. Located in the United Arab Emirates, it is also one of the richest destinations, and celebrities and visitors from all over the world come here to enjoy themselves. David and Victoria Beckham have a house here, and Brad Pitt and Angelina Jolie on an island. Dubai's leisure facilities are world famous. The aquarium and on the water. Remember, so here on the water. The aqua on the water zoo and Dubai Mall has one of the largest tanks in the world. Visitors can walk through an underwater tunnel and see some of the most fascinating sea animals on the planet. Then there is Wild Wadi Water Park. This is located next to one of the world's most luxurious hotels, the Burj Al Arab at Wild Wadi. You can ride on the highest water slide in Asia. However, perhaps the most unusual attraction in Dubai is Sky Dubai, an indoor ski resort with 22,500 square meters of real snow, complete with ski slopes and a play area and a real penguins. This spectacular facility uses the latest technology to produce fresh snow every day of the year. For people who want to acquire time, one of the most popular excursions in Dubai is a trip on a traditional Arab sailing boat. a sailing boat. Call it dhow. Another relaxing option is an afternoon at the Dubai Museum. The museum is located in the oldest building in the country. The museum is located in the oldest building in the country. The Al Fahidi Fort is a great place to learn about the history of the area. The city of gold, as Dubai is also known, really have something for everyone. So activity activity 4 is that you listen and repeat. That's all. Okay? Now let's go to the comprehension. So let's do exercises 1, 2, 3, and 4. So so exercise exercise 1 is read the extra from travel agents and page and mark on the map places mention it. So you are going to take in the reading is talking about aquarium and underwater zoo, yes or not? I'll give you 5 minutes, 5 seconds. Yes, very good. And aquarium in Dubai, it is Sky Dubai, where you snowboarding and snow sports. Yes, tick. And what about this Dubai Museum? It's all right. So the order is 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay. So correct. So let's go to the next uh exercise. Okay. Look, comprehension exercise 2. Write the names of places, describe it. Okay, so we need to write the names. So on page 73, you have the names. These names, you see, the museum, the Wild Wadi Park, water, or Burnarab, or so. You have to write these places. Okay, according to the reading, right? Let's do it. So, A, you can see some of the world's most interesting sea animals here. What is it? Yes, yes, it's right. So, here, next page, you're gonna see it's the aquarium and underwater zoo. So this, you write this on page 72. Okay, 72, you write this. Aquarium, all right, under the sea. Okay. Next, B. This has the highest water slide in Asia. Water slide in Asia. What is the name of that? All right. So going to the reading, we have here. So is at Wild Wadi. This is the name. So here we have the name. This is okay. So you write that on the exercise C, B. I'm sorry. Now let's go to B. C. This is most unusual attraction in Dubai according to the travel guide. Okay, so what is that? What is the name of that place? So we go up here to the reading and we're gonna discover